Don't miss this rare opportunity for some small-town living with the country right outside your back door in Beaubier, Saskatchewan. The entire property is 873 titled acres, with 706 acres of cultivated and pastured land. The jewel of this package is the home parcel, featuring a modern bungalow of 1,336 square feet, with a renovated kitchen and numerous updates. There is also a manicured yard, complete with a 2,000 square foot heated shop, 950 square foot detached garage, and 1,500 square foot barn, all framed by a mature tree line. The remaining 5 parcels each total between 156 and 160 acres. Parcel 2 and 3 are each 160 acres, with access from the west, and would be purchased together due to inaccessible road allowance. The land on these parcels has grown canola and field peas. Parcel 4, 160 acres, and Parcel 5, 156 acres, mostly contain arable land, have access from the west, and can be purchased separately. Mustard and durum have been cultivated on these parcels. Lastly, we have Parcel 6, which comes in at 159.91 acres, with access from both the north and east. Lentils and durum have been grown on this parcel. This real estate is being sold by Ritchie Bros on behalf of Kirk and Isla Torkelson.